संपर्क मोहिमेक गोंयांत आशिल्ल्या केंद्रीय राज्यमंत्री राजीव चंद्रशेखरान शेनवारा नावेली वाठारांतल्या साबार घरांक भेट दिली। तांकां येवकार दिवपा खातीर एक खाशेलो कुणबी गोंयचो लोकनाच सादर केलो। ह्या वेळार तांणी मोदी सरकारान 9 वर्सांत कितें केलां ते संबोधन केले आनी थळाव्या लोकांक डॉक्युमेंटरीची बुकलेट दिली। पळयात।
It is a lot of corruption, and in the last 9 years that has been transformed. So when 100 rupees leaves Delhi today, 100 rupees reaches the beneficiary's account without delay, without leakage, without corruption. And just to give you an example of how much money has been transmitted through this DBT technology backbone, 29 lakh crores over the last 9 years, which is $400 billion, has been sent from Government of India to various beneficiaries, farmers, health, poor. So that is the extent of transformation. The other thing in governance that you can see visibly is that in the last 9 years, more modern infrastructure has been built in India than ever before in the last 65 years. Airports, roads, highways, railway stations, trains, waterways. Infrastructure, world-class infrastructure has been created in the last 9 years, and the numbers are here. More than that was created in the last 65 years. Physical infrastructure, then social infrastructure, health, hospitals, schools, colleges. More All India Institute of Medical Sciences have been created in the last 9 years than 2 times have been created than what was created in the last 65 years. And all this has happened not because somebody decided it was a good idea or somebody snapped a finger. A lot of hard work, lot of dedication, lot of relentless commitment.
GOA365 खातीर रमेश नायक राऊत, समृता खणगावकार आणि मनीषा जाधव।